This tutorial shows you how to use the email marketing feature in Machineric. You'll learn how to create and configure email templates, generate email offers, and track offer history. Log into your admin profile. Go to Admin Tools. Go to Email Offer. Here you'll see your existing templates. Click Add Template to create a new one. Give your template a name. Click Save. Your new template is now created and ready to be configured. Enter the sender name and email address. Customize the template using your brand colors. Add a header image and logo for additional branding. Add one or more sales contacts to the template. Select the contacts you want to include and click Add. When done, click Add User. At the bottom of the page, you can add links to your social media profiles, which will be visible in the email footer. Scroll to the top and click Save to finish configuring your template. Go to your stock list to start creating an email offer. From the stock overview, select the machine or machines you want to include. Click the three-dot menu and choose Create Email Offer. This is your offer. If you have one template, it will be selected automatically. If you have multiple templates, choose the correct one from the drop-down. Select how the machine price and VAT should be displayed. Set the currency for the offer. This defaults to your main currency, but can be changed if multiple options are available. Add a custom message to your email offer. Choose the appropriate sales channel if the machine is listed in multiple locations. The View More button will direct customers to the selected channel. For example, this offer would take the customer to the listing on the homepage. In the configurations, each machine includes a title, description, price, and key specifications. You can choose between a minimal or detailed template layout for your email. You can preview both template types before continuing. If you choose a minimal view, it is a list-style layout with one image, key specs, and price. Whereas a detailed view includes 4 images and an additional description with the price and key specs. You can also edit the sales contacts from the template. Click on the plus next to Sales Contacts. If you want to add a contact, check the box and click Add. If you want to remove a contact, check the box and click Remove. When done, click Add User. When you're satisfied with the configuration, click Continue. Here you can edit the final email offer details. Add a subject line for your email. Choose whether to send the offer to specific groups or individual contacts. Scroll down, select the recipients, and click Add. Click Send Email to deliver the offer. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click anywhere on the screen to be taken to the email offers overview. In the email offer history, you can see all sent offers. Click on an offer to view its details. Here you can see recipients, delivery status, and breakdown, and preview the email content. Email offers are also logged under contacts, so the whole team can see the history related to your customers. Go to CRM. Go to Contacts and choose which profile you want to take a closer look at. From the three-dot menu, click on View. Scroll down to see the offer under Latest Activities. You've now learned how to create templates, send email offers, and track their history in Machineric. Thank you for watching.